Alright, today we're going to be looking at a Chevy HHR, and I'm going to show you where the fuse panel locations are. You've got a box in the engine compartment, and you've got a box near the kick panel right up inside the center console area. So first, let's pop the hood. So to pop the hood, you're going to open your driver door. Excuse the mess, this was a Copart car, and you're just going to pull this little lever right here. Alright, then you come to the front of the car. You're going to want to feel right up under here, right under the Chevy logo. There is a little lever right up under here. You just push to the left, pull it up, and if your shocks are still in good condition, you can rely on those. And then now that you got your hood open, you can come right over here, push this little tab down, and you have access to all your fuse panels. Pop this off here, same little clip here. Then you've got all of your lists, some extra fuses if you still have those. And then let's look at the one on the inside. Alright, so once you come inside, you're going to want to come over here on the passenger side. There's going to be a little panel that you're going to take off. You can just pop it off. Mine's already off because I've been working on this car. And you're going to see your other fuse panel box right there. And if you need a reference, on the back of this panel, you're going to have all of your fuses right there.